Let's see how we can install MySQL Server on our Ubuntu 22.04 system and how we can start and run it. First, let me show you my Ubuntu version. So as you can see, I'm on Ubuntu 22.04.03 LTS. To install MySQL Server, first we need to update package list. So to do that, type this command sudo apt update. Hit enter. Now, once you are using sudo, you might have to enter your current user's password. Once that is done, your package list should be updated. Now you can just install easily using sudo apt install mysql-server. Hit enter, and as you can see, MySQL Server installation has started. And when you're asked do you want to continue, type Y and hit enter, and MySQL Server is now being installed. While this is processing, check out our brand new awesome coding merch. We've got t-shirts, hoodies, we've got stickers for laptops or notebooks, cups, bags, and a lot more. Get it today from the link below. Once MySQL Server is installed, we need to set up root password and secure our installation so that we cannot access this from other remote servers and that stuff. So type this command, mysql_secure_installation. Hit enter. And now you need to enter your password for root user. So type a strong password. Okay, so I could not enter the password. Now let's first start our MySQL server. So we'll do service MySQL start. Once that is done, press this command, MySQL secure installation. And now it will ask you these questions. So do you want to validate password component? That means that if you enter a weak password, it will not allow to enter weak password. So I'll just type no for now. Again, do you want to remove anonymous users? Press Y and hit enter, because we want to secure our installation and we want to remove anonymous users. And now do you want to disallow root login? That means that MySQL in your computer cannot be logged in from other computer or other servers. Press Y, hit enter again. And do you want to remove test database? Yes, so press Y again and hit enter. And do you want to reload privileges table? Press Y and hit enter again. And finally, we have done all this stuff. Now, if we check our MySQL status, as you can see, this is the details. Server version 8.03. It is up for 56 seconds. And now you can enter inside your MySQL console using this command and enter the password that you had entered. So we are now inside our MySQL server. So you can enter your SQL query here. And yeah, this is it. We have installed MySQL server in Ubuntu 22.04. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.